This is my 2016 BMW S1000RR Premium Edition. I've owned this bike for around 7 months now. It's been an awesome bike. I've probably put around 400 miles on it. Basically just wanted to mod it before really enjoying it. It's almost done. All the mods I wanted to do to it I've pretty much done already. Some things, I really like carbon fiber. I did the carbon fiber front facial on it. Let's see, I did the carbon fiber frame covers. Some more carbon fiber back here, chain guard, rear tire hugger. This little pad and carbon fiber, I thought it was kind of cool. I have the one on the gas cap as well. As far as performance stuff, I have the full Austin Racing exhaust. It is titanium coated in the black ceramic. I really like that exhaust. I waited a long time for it. I have the lightweight brake rotor on there as well. I think that looks really cool. Put a few stickers on it on both sides of the bike. Got them on this side as well as this side. And then just a few little things. I have the mirror block off plates, the levers, and then the bar ends, which I just put these on. I got them off eBay. They were pretty cheap. I'm not sure if I like them. I also got new tires on it, the Michelins. I really like these tires. I had them on my old bike. Super grippy, no complaints with them at all. The bike currently has about 5,800 miles on it. Like I said earlier, no problems at all. It's been an awesome bike. I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys.